A bar chart is like a horizontal column chart, and it is best for comparing data when category names are long. Look, for example, we have a department here called sales and operations. Okay, and I generally prefer a bar chart. Now, to obtain this chart, you can, of course, select this table, insert tab. You can come to recommended charts, and there you have it. Okay, so that's how I obtained that chart, and you can change a few aspects. For example, I changed the title to which department has high expenditure. Now, suppose I don't like the way these horizontal axis values are. Instead of 2000, 4000, 6000, I want them to be 2K, 4K, 6K for the sake of legibility, the ease of reading them. So what you can do is click on that to select, and then right click, format axis. Then I click on this one to display this number. Then under the category, choose custom. And you see this type of code. In this case, it is dollars. It is expense in terms of dollars, so dollars. Then you just put 0 when you don't want the decimal places. If you want decimal places after that 0, you can put that, then put 0 there to represent one decimal place. If you want to, you can increase another 0 there to put 3 decimal places. So let's add and see. Okay, so if you don't want those decimal places, just remove those zeros after the decimal point and click add, and there you have it. Now I also want to add data labels here, and clicking on the bus, ensure all are selected. You can come here actually to chart elements and then data labels like that. And another way is just to click on the bus and to right click, and you can come to format, add data labels, just like that. Also want data labels in terms of K, so I can right click and then format data labels. The same thing I did earlier, come to number, change category to custom, and you can use this one. Can add that custom code, and there you have it. So this is expense in terms of. I also want to bold this for ease of reading, and I would prefer a black color. Even these ones I'll do the same. Control B, Control B to bold, and change that color like that, and now it looks just fine.